Ladies, this is for my ladies. Guys, y'all can just click off, okay? Y'all have had y'all time. Y'all have me in multiple different ways. You know, y'all got me on everything. All right, y'all got me. It's time for me to cater to the women. Women, where y'all at? We gonna be smooth. We gonna be clean. You heard me? We gonna be ready when it's time to be ready. Okay, so hi girl, how you doing? I know you're stuck in the house and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta resort to shaving. Shaving? That's what you're trying to do? You're trying to shave? Oh no. See, if you start shaving again, you're gonna be upset, my girl. Don't do it, okay? You're gonna have discoloration, hyperpigmentation, razor bumps, okay, ingrown hairs, okay? So I'm just gonna give you a really quick and simple tutorial to wax. Okay, so if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what you think about this video. And also comment. If you try this at home, comment and let me know how it goes. Like, if you have any questions, I'm here to answer. So first, I just want to say that you want to be sure before you wax to exfoliate at least 2 days in advance. You know, when you exfoliate, then you're gonna moisturize yourself really well. If you need to know how to exfoliate from home, let me know, comment below, and we can do a whole segment on self-care, because I'm all for self-care. I do have a self-care Instagram at Bold Bald Beauty. Bold Bald Body, I'm sorry. It used to be Bold Bald Beauty, but it's Bold Bald Body now. And I just drop little tips and tricks and hints and recipes for y'all to try. All things for girls and lashes and hair and full body wax. You can find that on that Instagram. All right, so I do make the wax from like 4 simple ingredients. I use sugar, water, of course, lemon, fresh lemon juice, and sometimes apple cider vinegar. So the apple cider vinegar is gonna make the wax harder. If you don't use the apple cider vinegar, then it'll be more of a soft wax. Either way, the apple cider vinegar adds plenty of benefits, but it works as, let's say, just so many things. Like, it'll detox the pores of your skin. It can exfoliate your skin, and really be sure that it's a clean wax. So yeah, those are the benefits of using apple cider vinegar. And I don't always use apple cider vinegar. I've only used it about a couple of times. All right, so I'm running my big mouth. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time being here. Thanks for being here. I'm happy to see you here. If you are a returning subscriber, obviously, hi, I miss you. I'm here. Let's do this. Baby, you don't have to be beat up during this quarantine, okay? We can get you nice and waxed and smooth. No razor bumps, no hyperpigmentation. You know what I'm saying. All right, so exfoliate 2 days before. Make sure you do it on clean skin. Of course, my hands are clean already. I'm probably gonna wash them again. You can use like antibacterial wipes, like body wipes. They have ones for bodies, or you can use regular wipes, because it really is a safe, simple process. I've been doing this for now 3 years. Actually, my first ever video was a sugar wax video, DIY. Let me know if y'all want to see me do that again, better, with better equipment and better just knowledge and thing. But yeah, my first video, if you want to check it out. It's so cringy, I can't even watch it. Let's just cut to the chase and get to this waxing. So I have my wax here. That's just water rings, because it's been soaking in the water. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Y'all can't see what I'm doing, but oh, so get you a mirror, turn on some music, have your nice warm wax, and face the mirror. All right, so I'm pretty tame, because I'm always waxing, but If you have a lot of hair, you might want to cut it down. I don't know. You might. You might. See, we could do this together. Come back, let's do this together. Oh my gosh. So when you apply the wax, you apply up. And when you remove it, you're gonna remove it in a down motion. Y'all, you can use clean denim to wax, and it waxes so much easier. Got my jean. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I'm talking and being a clown, so I might as well not do the voiceover. I should just vibe with y'all. But the only thing is, I have music on in the background, so I hope I'm just talking over that. I'm gonna go further up with this. And this, when you make it, y'all gotta let me know if y'all wanna know how to make it. Cause I'm just vibing with the waxing. Making it is nothing. And also, I do sell wax. I've perfected it. It does take trial and error. So I don't want you to think like if you make it one time and it doesn't come out exactly how you really, you know, expected it to, that all hope is lost, because it's not. And normally I would just cut strips. I grabbed this right out my drawer because I cut it to use as getting a thumbnail. I cut it. So girl, what's up? How y'all doing in this quarantine thing? I hope you're loving on yourself. I hope you're loving on your family. This is just a time just for very low BS, you know, like this is a time for love. It's always a time for love, but especially now. Woo! All right, so this is it. It just pulls right off. That is TMI, but it is so cool. Like, if you could see that.
Bruh.
Whoa! So yeah, that's all you do. I'm using a very little bit. I just, like I said, I had already done everything. I exfoliated. I'd really do this. That's the thing. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell y'all. So if you want it to be extra like really tight, it'd probably be a little more painful if you do it with baby powder. So you can use baby powder to, I've been recording for 12 minutes, Lord Jesus, this is a long video. You can use baby powder, my girl. Y'all, I'm doing okay. Things are really busy right now, you know, with school being online and the kids being home and just a whole plethora of things. Thank God my husband is here to help. That's a plus. But because I know some, you know, real like single moms, they don't even have that, and it's a lot. It really is a lot to try to still be productive and have all your kids home 24/7. Like, you can't even, birthday parties canceled, because these kids have a party to go to like every weekend. They're at a party right now, actually. It's my godson Jalen's 3rd birthday, and I'm running late to the party because I needed a break. Like, I needed me a wax. I needed a break. Don't forget, apply it up. I know it seems weird, but you apply the wax up and you take it off snatching down. Whew. Yeah, you just gotta blow it out. Like, it really doesn't hurt that much when your hair isn't that long. Like, see, I don't have a lot of hair right now, and then in the summertime my hair grows slower once it starts really warming up, and it's been warm, so I'm just really cleaning myself up, honestly, and more so exfoliating the skin, because when you remove it, the oxygen that goes underneath it helps to exfoliate your skin. It only binds to the hair and not your skin. This is more so at the top, kinda. And I know y'all probably like, well, how you get your butthole? You bend over. Okay, so my camera died, but your girl got the job done, okay? I'm smooth, I'm clean. I'm feeling like a wing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm nice and smooth and ready for the groove. And I was telling y'all to bend over when you're trying to wax that butthole. That butthole. But yeah, okay, so I'm joking real bad. My camera died, y'all. But if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. I'm trying to get my numbers up. So if you like what you've seen, ladies, this is for my ladies. Guys, y'all can just click off, okay? Y'all have had y'all time. Y'all have me in multiple different ways. You know, y'all got me on everything. All right, y'all got me. It's time for me to cater to the women. Women, where y'all at? I need y'all. Save me. These guys, they're taking me. They're strangling me. Please help. So yeah, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter, whatever. Catch up with me, y'all. This is what we have now. We got this digital stuff going on. So if you want to find me, come and find me, baby. I'm not hiding. I'm right here. All right, I gotta go. I'm late for the party. It was nice talking to y'all. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far, because I be tripping. I really be tripping, but we're not gonna get into that. Yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know how I did. I'm telling y'all, I'm smooth. Let me look again, because... Yeah. Love you, girls. Talk to y'all later. I'll be back, baby. I'm here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm here to stay. Much love. Easier. So don't forget, 4 ingredients: fresh lemon juice, sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, granulated sugar. What did I say? Oh shit. Lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, water, and sugar. Literally, a stove. That's all you need, and a glass jar. And something to apply and remove it with.